I'll say decisiveness versus choice. Decisiveness versus choice. What does that mean? See, a lot of times on projects, you'll have a choice to go with this option or option A or option B. But when you are decisive or you make a decision, it's either we're going with A, and if A doesn't work, we'll transition to B. But right now, this is currently where we're at. We're keeping that mindset open though to say that we're adaptable, but we're going to do everything possibly to make the best decision based on the information that we have. Here's a quick message too out there. I understand, especially if you're a new project manager, it can be challenging to make these type of decisions because again, in your mind, you're telling yourself a story to say, well, what happens if this goes wrong? Well, let me give you a fresher breath air, as they would say. If it does go wrong, what are you going to do to correct it? I said that at the beginning because the reason why I keep saying that is because we get in our way of a lot of things that, especially when we're leading projects, we will get in our own way and sabotage the project because of that concern. What's the point of having a risk register? What's the point of having an issue log? These two artifacts are supposed to help guide you. On top of that, you have stakeholders in place that's supposed to be also be that extended arm of helping you lead the project as you're moving forward. Let's move on to point number 4: leadership and motivation.